Hey everybody, and welcome back to Business Globe, where we bring you the latest business news and trends from around the world. So let's dive right in. Our first story today concerns Apple key supplier Pegatron. A fire incident in its factory in India has temporarily halted iPhone assembly. Three sources has reported that the factory in Tamil Nadu state near Chennai has stopped all the shift, leaving the assembly worker uncertain about the plant reopening on Tuesday. Although Pegatron assured that the incident is under control and won't significantly impact its operation, the facility's daily production capacity of 26,000 iPhone has seen a recent output level of 8,000 to 12,000 units. Shifting our gears to the automotive industry, Nissan has just announced a game-changing move to Europe. Starting now, all the Nissan model launching in Europe will be fully electric. By 2030, Nissan aims to sell exclusive electric vehicle on the continent. This bold step is a part of their strategy to compete with the EV market leaders like Tesla. With the plan to release 90 new EV models by 2030, Nissan is changing forward to the electrified European market. In the groundbreaking partnership, Amazon is investing up to $4 billion in the Anthropic, an artificial intelligence company. This deal deepens the tie between this giant, as Anthropic will make AWS its primary cloud provider. The strategic move underscores how tech giants leverage their cloud computing resources to expand into AI. Notably, Anthropic commits to offering its AI model to AWS consumers and gaining early access to the customization feature, enhancing AI development and fine-tuning capabilities. Moving on, let's turn our attention to the Evergrande. The Chinese real estate giant is facing several crises. The investigation has left Evergrande unable to meet the qualification for issuing new notes, putting the company's future in the jeopardy. With the default, cancelled meeting with the creditor, and dwindling property sale, Evergrande is restructuring remains in prevalence, and it's continued to cast shadow on China's real estate industry. Moving on, the Reserve Bank of India is poised to maintain the current policy rate for fourth consecutive time. This decision is influenced by precedently high retail inflation and US Federal Reserve's hawkish stance. Since the RBI's last rate hike in February 2023, the rate had remained steady, with the inflation forecasted to remain above 5% in Q3. Experts accept this status quo to persist throughout the calendar year and possibly into the Q4. Tata Projects has selected Micron Technology for the construction of the semiconductor assembly and test facility in Gujarat. This $825 million project, spanning in two phases, aims to manufacture and packaging of chips for the client, addressing both the domestic and the international demand for DRAM and NAND products. The 1.4 million square feet facility, including 500,000 square feet clean room, is set to be completed by the end of 2024, marking a significant boost for India's semiconductor industry. Moving on, in a pivotal move, JP Morgan will include Indian government bonds into its global emerging market debt index a 10-month period from June 2024. This inclusion will lead to the passive inflow of around $25 billion and the significant growing confidence in India's economic prospect. India's bond met JP Morgan's inclusion criteria with 23 eligible bonds valued at $330 billion. This decision reflects Indian attractiveness to the global investor and promises stable fund inflow. Moving on, despite challenges like rising global oil prices and the monsoon deflect, India's economic remained resilient. The financial minister's monthly review for the August forecast a baseline estimate of 6.5% real GDP growth for the financial year 2023 and 2024, encouraging high frequency indication and increased private sector investment support this positive outlook, highlighting the robust health of India's economy. Moving on to our last news of today's segment. Apple's iPhone 15 had made a remarkable debut in India, with the sale registering 100% growth as compared to the iPhone 14 series on the first day. Notably, made in India iPhone 15 model are contributing to this success, resulting a long queue at the stores across India. Apple's decision to release these models simultaneously in India and other global markets are certainly paid off, showcasing the strong demand for their latest offering in Indian market. So that's the wrap for today's video. Hope you like this video. If you do, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to never miss any video from our channel. So this was Mohammad Tariq Rizwan on your screen, and thank you for watching.